We could also use factorization method to find out square root of some decimal numbers. And I have prepared 4 examples here. And let's take a look at the first one. Example 1. Determine square root of 2.25 using factorization method. So the solution would be to first write 2.25 to be like this, to be a fraction of 225 over 100. As you know it, 225 divided by 100, that is equal to 2.25. So that means square root of 2.25 can be written like this. Square root of 225 over 100. And square root of 225 over 100 can be written individually like this. Square root of 225 over square root of 100. So you have to remember one rule here. That is square root of a over b. That is also equal to square root of a over square root of b. Okay, this is something that we need to memorize. So let's get back to the example here. So what is the square root of 225? We have done this in the previous video, that square root of 225 is equal to 15. So that is equal to 15 over square root of 100. And square root over 100 is equal to 10, which makes it equal to 1.5. So square root of 2.25 is equal to 1.5. So that's how we use factorization method to find out the square root of 2.25. So now let's take a look at example 2.